Hi, second graders. Today we're going to take your spelling test. I'm going to read or say each word and then you're going to write it on the paper. If you need me to repeat a word, then just go back and hit play and you can try to write the rest of your words. When you're all done, make sure you put it in the basket. Your first word is brush. Brush. I will brush my hair. Your next word is brat. Brat. Sometimes when our dog isn't following directions, she's being a little bit of a brat. Brat. Our next word is bran. Bran. Bran is a type of cereal. The last word is bread. Bread. Our dog was bred to be a golden doodle. Bread. When you're all finished, put it in the all done basket. Thanks.